Using vector diagrams to calculate horizontal and vertical components. The only things we need to do this is our calculator and a little bit of knowledge of Pythagoras' theorem. So Pythagoras' theorem tells us that if we have a hypotenuse of a length of 1 and an angle theta, the length of our vertical component is going to be sine theta, and the length of our horizontal component is going to be cos theta. And if you have a scientific calculator, you have buttons for sine and cos. Now we know that with resultant forces, it's not always going to equal 1. So we're going to call our resultant force Z. And we're going to make our resultant force into a triangle. So now we've got our vertical component, Y, and we've got our horizontal component, X. And in this example, our resultant force has a magnitude of 9 newtons. So Z is going to become 9 newtons, and our angle, theta, in this example, is 40 degrees. So to work out our vertical component, Y, we find Z sine theta. And to work out our horizontal component X, we find Z cos theta using our calculator. Now in this example, Y is going to equal 9 sine 40 and X is going to equal 9 cos 40. So we put those into our calculator. We find that our vertical component is, we're going to put it to 3 significant figures, 5.79 newtons. And our horizontal component is 6.89 newtons. And that's it.